In this video, I'm going to be explaining why I stopped posting for a while now. Losses, confusion, mixing two models at the same time. This is what actually happened. I was missing two models, trying to add them up together, trying to see how I can create a 100% win rate model, which doesn't exist. That has been what has been slowing down my process since the beginning of this year. It has disturbed me a lot, so I had to step back. Most of the times, the real progress is quiet progress. It's going in silent, doing the work silently, not putting it out there. So I had to take a break from posting on this YouTube channel. I had to go and reflect, go and review my trades, my losses, my wins, why I lost, why I won, why I missed my entries, and all that. And so far, I've improved, believe you me. So from next week, I'm going to be posting officially on this channel. I'm making this video just to explain to you guys, just tell you guys I'm still alright. Nothing happened to me. Like I'm still alive. Yes, all glory be to God. This video is just to explain to you guys what happened or why I had to step back. I haven't been myself lately because of the stress. Mixing trading with other things is, trust me, it's not going to be easy. The journey to profitability is not an easy one. Anybody that tells you it's an easy one, uh, especially when you're coming from scratch, no capital, no mentor, like no person that is going to teach you one on one, no capital, no mentor, just you, your God, and your brain. It's not easy, guy. I won't lie to you. Trying to figure it out by yourself from the scratch. And one thing I've noticed is the biggest industry are the ones that actually did it by themselves, not the ones that learned. The ones that learned, they will continue being under. Not like you won't learn from somebody, but like what I mean is the ones that continue adoring their mentor and my mentor and my mentor are the ones that will continue being under their mentor. But the ones that break out and say, "Oh, I need to do this on my own," that know that yes, this thing is a one-on-one journey. For this journey, they need to serve in this forex industry. Like they know like I'll serve my mentor for 4 years and you settle me. It doesn't work like that. The only thing your mentor has to do for you is to show you the road or the pathway that he followed that has brought him to where he is. Bro, you work, you put in the work, you have to put in the work. Like there's a lot of work to put in. Anybody that tells you you come in and 1 year you are making it, bro, ah, that's a big lie. There's a guy I knew that stayed in this industry for 10 years. Like unprofitability, as he was unprofitable for 10 good years before he finally became profitable and started making seven-figure payouts, six-figure payout, five-figure payouts. Bro, it's not going to be easy. But when it becomes easy for you is when you fall in love with the game. When you take that this is like it is my own. You become one with the game, improving every day, at least 1% better. If you can study 20 minutes every day, you are better than somebody that study 20 hours a week and quit. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. If you can study 20 minutes every day consistently for 1 year, you are better than somebody that studied 20 hours every week for 1 year. It may look like that person is doing more study, but he's draining himself and he's not going to be achieving anything. But you that takes your time, yeah, like if you break things down one by one, you understand that you come to the realization that fast progress makes no progress. Slow and steady, you win the race. There is no rush in this industry. If you rush success, it won't last. It's just like a plane now. A plane has a runway before it takes off, right? And a helicopter, it just takes off. But a helicopter cannot move the length a plane moves. I don't know if you're getting this. A helicopter cannot move the length a plane moves, but it can lift up as fast as possible. but an aeroplane takes its time go through the hallway before it moves, and it has the capacity to carry more people, and it can move higher lengths or greater length than the helicopter. That's show you that you should not be chasing fast progress, because it won't last. It won't last, believe you me. And now what I'm doing in my channel is every month we have a read, like we have a book we read. I send out the PDF to the channel for free. So if you want to join the channel, go to check the link in the description to join my Telegram channel for free. I also drop trading sites there. I drop books to read every month. I drop psychology tips and all that. So for this month, our read is Out of the Maze. I'm gonna drop the link to the channel on my description. So do well to go and join the channel and have a good read for yourself this month and improve your psychology too. So that is the reason for ghosting you guys for like a while now, for like a week now. I've not posted. But I'm back now, guys. I'll catch you guys at the top. Peace out.